Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install BNC connectors on RG59 cables. As you can see on the table, there's two types of different BNC connectors. The first one being a compression fitting, a crimp down ones, and the second one being a twist down ones. So first I'm gonna show how to install the twist down ones. First, get in the RG59 cables and get wire strippers, and strip out the out part of the cable. Leave just a bare wire, and then twist the twist down fittings on. And there you have a cable. Let's remove this cable and show you the other connector. So with again with the RG59 cables, we first need to strip it. Now placing the piece of jacket onto the cables, and insert this metal part into the openings on the connectors, and compress it, and fit the jacket over it. Now get the crimp tools. Place the cables, set the cables correctly on the crimp tools. And squeeze it firmly. And squeeze the outer part firmly so it can grab onto the connector. Now you got a terminated cable.